London Bridge has fallen and the United Kingdom is in mourning of the passing of Queen Elizabeth II. They send her off in style and the whole world is watching.
Just hours before Queen Elizabeth's death, a beautiful double rainbow appeared over Buckingham Palace.
The crowds gathered, and the most significant change, of course, the flagpole above Buckingham Palace, where the Union flag has now been lowered.
As people gathered outside the gates to await news about the monarch's condition, they witnessed the phenomenon, which appeared after dark clouds and rainfall turned into bursts of sunshine, many calling it a sign of good news to come, while others think it symbolizes Her Majesty crossing the Rainbow Bridge.
There's nothing we can do about them. They just being silly. For the reflection. And look at Her Majesty's reflection.
I can't seem to take L.A. Lewis too seriously because he claims he is Queen Elizabeth's grandson and will be attending the funeral. Boy, even these Jamaicans are believing him.
No star. Even was also L.A. Lewis thing, lad. L.A. Lewis well respected man. See them send British Airways L.A. Lewis attend the Queen's funeral. Yeah. You know? L.A. Lewis a guy Queen's funeral them send him, yeah. Airplane, British Airways them send him. L.A. Lewis from England to attend the Queen's funeral. Boy, that you them never believe in you, but you know you're gone a road.
Andrew Holness declares that there will be 12 days of mourning for the Queen. I thought Jamaica was independent, oh well.
Shalom Israel. Alright, so Queen Elizabeth is dead. Zin? And unfortunately our government, you know what I mean, showing who they really, you know what I mean, serve, is now commanding the entire nation to mourn for Queen Elizabeth. You understand? This is an Observer article and it said, Day of Mourning of Queen's Death to be observed in Jamaica on September 18th. You understand? Which goes to show you that, you know what I mean, like we have always said in ISUPK Jamaica. You know what I mean? Your government is not your government. This is who they belong to. Many people have not even gotten the message yet that Queen Elizabeth is dead. But there is already an Observer article, you know what I mean, saying that you should mourn for her. And it goes on to say, during the period of mourning, it is the customary recommendation that no celebratory activity should take place. So you can't even celebrate. You understand? You can't even keep your party. Let me continue to read. On the day of mourning, the public should know that only authorized activities relating to the day are approved and that all social events should be postponed. So you're not even allowed, you understand, to enjoy yourself. You know what I mean? You're being forced to mourn for somebody whose foreparents brought your foreparents over here in chains. And after 400 years of oppression and slavery, not even...
And some Jamaicans never know this, but I guess you know now. Remember the 3 kids that perished in Westmoreland, and their sister to receive surgery for burns? Well, her father is allegedly responsible for the disappearance of their mother. He is said to have molested his 12-year-old daughter, and a relative decides to speak out against him. But why did it take you this long to talk about this?
You know, I wanted to touch this subject from the other day, but I know a lot of people come at me. I made a few comments on some of the posts, and this really cut me up. When I saw the father doing the interview, there's this uneasy feeling about it. I don't know if anybody else feels it. As a parent, I do not understand how you just lost your children, 3 children, and one is suffering, and you are going to say that you don't want any funeral, you don't want any night. And the part of the interview that hits me the most is these 2 words. That is that. Then if you want to call him 2 words or how much words you want to call him. When the man say him just want to cremate them and that is that, me feel it down in the bottom of my belly. That is one of the reasons why me say this not sit well with me. And I heard that the kids went to bed at 7. Me, I want to know said no pick in a Jamaica and sleep 7 o'clock. Especially when in a summer. School are just going to start Monday morning. Still them now going to bed 7 o'clock. There's no power where the whole 4 of them are asleep at the same time. The part of the story that not sit well with me either. Another thing I want to comment about, me just see one video where some cousin or something come out and I speak out say the child was being molested allegedly. Now let me ask you something, Miss Cousin now, and grandmother, everybody where come contact now. Where una did they all this time? The child I get molested on the wall I wanna sit down on a big bumbo. Pardon me, my plan for change over here. The whole I wanna sit down and let the child go through all that trauma. All I wanna sit down and watch the picnic them a go through it. If this is really so, why you not come up open up on a big stinking mouth now attack? Be upset. Why you not come attack now? I'm not supposed to attack them way up on my channel now, but me have to talk. Why you not attack now? Huh? Why you never come out and talk then? Why you never take the picnic out of the situation? Why you not allow the children to go through all of this now and now? The 3 boys there, look how the picnic them sweet man, and the little picnic burn up and did it suffer, and just open on the mouth to chat now? Eh? How is it going to help the children now? That is what I want to know. Eh? The man go to jail? He might just go jail and we still want out here to go feel him with taxpaying money. Sure.
Well, that's it for today's episode. Subscribe and share.